Tick, tick, ticking clock.
Well, see, you can't stop the rush to the head, but you can't stop the push instead, because we come to things and we go to things which allow us to evolve. So push you the high and eat the apple, turn to the preacher and say amen.
Learn to see, to be,
to talk, to walk, I think, therefore I am. Another consumer clock's ticking.
Some to comprehend life and understand the incomprehensible clock's ticking. It's time to communicate and grow.
Huh? What's that? What's that?
Cry just for a laugh, cry just for your attention. I've lost the understanding of the incomprehensible clock's ticking.
Some to find things, lose things, learn nice little rules or something. Be good, be bad. Get a kick up the ass, a slap on the wrist, a mouthful of soap and a key to leave home, but not yet. Ride around free your own, man. So bedtime, dinner time, any time. So you get a face full of infection, an early morning erection, a part-time life, a part-time job, part-time man. Clock's ticking.
It's time to be a man.
Not a boy. Grow up.
Contribute. Consume.
Plan for the future. Plan for protection. Bollocks. Sure, it's only 99% effective. 100% sperm directive.
Clock's ticking. It's time to teach and preach and
see me. But I've not even matured.
I'm too young to be a Philistine, but too old to last a lifetime, so...
To join the gym. A decision I know him.
Where's my foundation? My protection and parents? So they're gone. It's been me.
Well, that's just fucking great.
So settle down. Down. Now.
Skip some time. I'm only 69. So let's get some air miles. Stramic tile, stocks and shares. Shit in my pants. Grovel for a young romance. Settle down and recollect. Down. 6 feet. Down. Clocks.
Tick. Tick. Ticking.